Hello and welcome to Everything Dance. I'm your mentor, Dancing Dawn. This is your go-to site for all dance subjects and styles and all other related topics, from beginner to professional, and dance teaching qualifications.
Workout L. This is quite a casual one, but again you can speed it up to fast music for a really good workout. Or do it slowly first and then put on some fast music. 8 springs. 4 springs with a tap out to the side. 4 ball heels to face the side, making a quarter turn. Ball change back together 4 times. Ball change sideways and together 4 times. That's all there is to it. Now you're going to do it facing this way. 8 springs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spring tap to the side 4 times. Quarter turn making 4 ball heels. Ball change back together 4 times. Ball change side together 4 times. Then you'll repeat it facing the back. 8 springs. 4 spring side taps. Quarter turn ball heels 4 times. Ball change back together 4 times. Side together 4 times. And then of course you'll begin it this way. 8 springs. 4 spring taps to the side. 4 ball heels turning a quarter. Ball change back 4 times. And side 4 times. Let's try with some music. 8 springs. Ball heels. Side. 8 springs. Spring taps. Ball heels. Ball change back. Workout exercise M. This is quite an easy one, but I'm going to do part of it really fast, and that's where your workout will come into it. Step ball change, ball change, or you can gallop. Step ball change, ball change, step ball change, ball change, step ball change, ball change, step ball change, ball change. Now this is the fast part. 4 ball heels, 4 heel balls. But you're going to do them really fast. So fast, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 times. Then 4 spring ball changes. You can do them however you like. Tap step ball changes, turning to face the back. Tap step ball change, tap step ball change, tap step ball change, tap step ball change. Repeat your spring ball changes 4 times. And step ball changes, turning to face the front. And that's all there is to it. Let's try it one more time. Remember, either gallops or step ball change to the sides. Step ball change, ball change, 2, 3, 4. Fast, 4 ball heels, 4 heel balls, 4 ball heels, 4 heel balls. Spring ball changes, however you want to do those. 4 tap step ball changes to face the back. 4 spring ball changes. 4 tap step ball changes. Tap step ball change. Let's try with music. Remember, play this as many times as you want before you play the music part, or indeed just go off and play your own music.